Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crane at the Heart, and I am back to share a project that I made for the Fantabulous Cricut Challenge blog. So the website for it is fantabulouscricut.blogspot.com. I'll put a link down below. Basically, it's a bi-weekly challenge of 2 weeks to do a project using your Cricut, upload it, and you have a chance to win a prize. I think you can do up to 2 times, 2 different projects. And if you do something that's not a card, you get 2 entries into the giveaway. And so the project I have today is a non-card project. The theme for the week is Thanksgiving. So I actually used some things that I recently hauled. I used this giant maple leaf, which I'm going to hang on my door. And I did this cute little glitter acorn. So this acorn was only 90 cents. And then my maple leaf was, let's see, 5 times 7, 350. It was $1.50. So really good deal. I used glitter vinyl, the iron-on kind, and I had recently got some glitter vinyl from Tuesday Morning. I do not recommend that vinyl, and I'll tell you a couple reasons why. The main reason why is because it does not come with a plastic carrier sheet. So in most cases, the glitter is like a sticker on a plastic carrier sheet. So you do a mirror image so that it basically cuts it backwards, and then you peel off the excess or weed the excess vinyl, and then your image or your words are left on that plastic carrier sheet, which makes it very easy to place on your project. And then the carrier sheet also protects your project as well as your iron from any residue of the vinyl that you're using, whether it's glitter vinyl or just regular vinyl, so you don't get that on your iron or on your project. And it gives it the stability that it needs, and it helps protect your project and transfer it to wherever you need to go, and that makes it really easy to iron it. And this vinyl that I got from Tuesday Morning does not have a plastic carrier sheet. So when I went to go cut it, it cannot cut these intricate words. It's pretty bad. So it was coming off of the mat, and it was a hot mess. So this one cut not too bad. But this one, you can see I had to kind of piece it together right here. It's kind of funky because it just would not cut for me. So, but it is a rose gold. It is beautiful. I still think it came out really cute. But if you want to be more successful with your vinyl, then you want to go ahead and use vinyl from Expressions Vinyl. The Cricut vinyl works really well. If you go to Michael's, I forget the name of it, but there's a vinyl company that they have there that is right next to where they keep the Cricut vinyl. That stuff works great too. I've used all of it to make shirts and bags and other things. So it works great. I highly recommend any of those vinyls. This vinyl I don't recommend. I mean, you could still use it, but it's going to be messy. But I just put this little Happy Thanksgiving from a cut in Design Studio, which I cannot remember the name of the cut, but I will put it in the description box because I got to go look it up. And all you do is once you've cut your vinyl, you place it on your project, whether it's a shirt or wood. Hopefully, if it's flat, it's going to be a lot easier for you. And then you just iron it. If it has the plastic carrier sheet, the carrier sheet will not lift up and release your vinyl until it's on there pretty well. I generally iron the heck out of it if it's something that I know is going to get washed, like especially like shirts, for example. But this isn't going to get washed. I'm not that concerned about it. It's not going to get handled very much, so it just needed to get on there. So this is actually going to be going into my lobby cases at work, and I think it's really, really cute. So it's all glittered and cute. And then this one is going to hang on my door. So I haven't decided whether I'm going to hang it on the inside or the outside of my door. I guess I hang it on the outside unless it's going to rain. Then I might hang it on the inside. But I think it came out really, really cute because it's not, this wood is not treated, so it would get ruined out in the rain. But I think it's really, really cute. All I did was basically do my cuts, place it on this wood, nice and big and flat. But because it didn't have a carrier sheet, you have to put something over it. So I just put a piece of paper, like a cardboardy kind of paper. I put on top of it and then ironed over it. So that worked just fine, and it's on there, and it already has this nifty like thing to hang it from. So that's my project, and I hope that you guys find the time to visit Fantabulous Cricut and join the challenge.